my dear traders and friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is about next top 3 binary options of 2018, and the first place of our video chart took IQ option as usual. So IQ option is one of the established binary options brokers in the industry. It has its own custom-made platform which you will find to be very user and friendly. IQ option is well known for its demo account option. You can see it on the screen. It has a good thing, IQ option mobile app. It is the best mobile application for binary options trading you can find on the market. Its platform features an extremely user-friendly interface and great graphics. The mobile platform is extremely fast. The application is very well secured, so your money and personal data are safe. It is easy to find and download. It's available on iTunes and Google Play Store. The app supports exactly the same functions as the desktop app. I mean charts, setting, trend lines, industries, and other. So you can deposit your money directly when using the app. So the second place of our chart took Expert Option platform is a relatively new platform with a user-friendly interface for the benefit of regular traders. It is easy to use, also has a dedicated education section for traders to learn as they earn from trading activities on the platform. And the platform supports plenty of trading instruments. Users can fund their accounts and initiate withdrawals using a range of payment methods. And here we have minimum deposit is $50. At Expert Option, you can trade on a demo account with $10,000 of demo money. And the Expert Option demo account also has all of the same pricing that you will find on the live account below. So here we have the main page of Expert Option. Fast online trading. Here we have trade for demo. That's what I've told you about. The demo account accounts $10,000 of demo money. And how it works: deposit, trade, withdraw, open real account and add funds. We work more than 20 payment systems, trade any of 100 assets in stock, get funds easily to your bank or bank card or e-wallet. So here we have features: technical analysis tools, social trading. You can use it for all devices: Windows, Android, iOS, Mac OS. It is trusted because Expert Option is leader in online trading industry, and also global trading platform. People from more than 150 countries trade at Expert Option platform. So that is why Expert Option took the second place of our top 3 binary options of 2019. And the last one is Olymp Trade. So here you can see the main page on the screen. Here is the section of registration. It is excellent trading platform. Olymp Trade currently has over 20,000 traders trading every day on its platforms. It offers 2 types of accounts on its platform. The accounts are Standard and VIP. Standard is the basic account that requires minimum deposit of $10, and VIP that requires minimum deposit of $200, and you are offered a personal account manager when you sign up for this account. So it has easy access to training and educational materials, and you can see it right here. So here we have free training. Learn how to make money in daily webinars, courses, and video tutorials for beginners and for experienced traders. That is really good. So that is all for now. Thank you for your attention. I'm waiting for your personal opinion. What do you think about these top 3 of 2018 binary options? And I always read your comments, so this is very interesting for me, and maybe the next video will be about the other platforms, so you may write your loved one. And thank you for your attention. See you on the next time, and have a nice day. Bye.